The glaze on top perfectly complements the deep gingerbread molasses for a delicious swirl in each taste. Hey, Chessie's been out there a long time now. You know she's having a blast wherever she is. She only has her learner's permit, and she's been away since we made the vertical bush Noel cake. She'll be okay, I'm sure. Uh-oh. Oh no! Ah! Oh, gonna crash land. Sift together all your dry ingredients. To your flour, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And you're on, Spice Girls! A teaspoon of cinnamonella. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. A teaspoon of ginger. Cloves is goofing off again, I'm sure. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Put some chutzpah in it. And 1 cup of hot water to 1 cup of molasses. Well, that's just great. My cheesecake cruiser is out of juice. Now, where in the Milky Way am I? Well, look who crash landed in my playground. I lost cheesecake drifting through my little patch of space. How deliciously amusing. I wonder if she met anybody out there. I hope she didn't crash her ship. Cream together 3/4 cup of butter, unsalted, always unsalted, and 1½ cups of sugar. Then add in 3 eggs, 1 at a time. Add it in, beat it in. We should make up an egg beating dance. Woo! We like to scrape down the bowl after each addition. Alternate everything into the butter and eggs, just like any cake recipe using the creaming method. Add in about 1/3 of the dry, then half the wet, and repeat. See here? You can see all the ingredients having a whirlpool party at the bottom. Time to join the rest of the batter. Who are you supposed to be? The Queen of Chaos? Close. I'm Bungledorf, Mistress of Mayhem and Harbinger of Hilarity. Well, for me anyway. And you little cheesecake, you have just waltzed into my cosmic circus. We prep the pan right before using it. That way, things don't have a chance to slide down the sides in case the kitchen's too warm. Willafrida heard at the fairy convention that you can prep your pan beforehand and put it in the refrigerator until you need it. Let us know if you try that. Brush the sides with melted shortening and get it in all the nooks and crannies. Coat it with flour and tap out the excess into the sink. Then bake in the middle of the oven for 45 to 55 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. And my remote does fun things. I've never pushed this one before. Let's see what it'll do. And this one. They don't do anything! Hey! They don't do anything! It's okay. Let it cool in the pan for 10-15 minutes. You can even go as long as 20 minutes. Ooh, that's hot. Our pan here has grooves, so we jiggle it some to help work away from the edges. This cake doesn't shrink and pull away from the sides as much as others do. Let it cool completely before putting on the glaze, or it'll just run off into the dish. The glaze is really easy too. 1 cup of powdered sugar and a few tablespoons of cream or milk. The cream will make it thicker than the milk. Big Val has a super steady hand here. Get a nice drip down the sides. It'll harden up as it dries. We sprinkle crystalized ginger over top too. We had this left over as well from our vertical bush de Noël. Watch that video next. And bring this gingerbread cake to your next party. Whoa, easy there, balloon shoes. I'm just looking for a little help with my spaceship, not a one-way ticket to your wacky funhouse. Oh, but there's a price to pay for landing in my realm. To leave, you'll have to play a game or two. All right, clown girl, bring on the games. But fair warning, I'm no ordinary slice of dessert. Let the cosmic chaos begin!